Hi, today I will show you how to make a scale command. Scale command is if you want an object to make it bigger, resize the object or make it smaller. Okay, let's start. Let's say we'll make this circle to make it half of the 1 meter. So let's copy, put it here. Now type in scale, then select, enter. He will gonna ask specify base point, put it let's say somewhere here or on the center, up to you. Pick. So as you can see, if you're gonna drag the mouse, it's coming, it's changed the size. See, it's getting too big. Now what you do is, since you want the radius into half of the 1 meter, just type in 0.5, enter. So let's see the size if it's correct. Dimension, radius, pick on the center, pick on the inner circle, pick on the outer circle. See, 0.55 and 0.5. Radius here is 1.1, radius here is 1. Oh, it's correct. Oh, let's just delete this one. Now you will notice that if you want this circle to be like 0.5 only, and you want the thickness is still the same, 100, this is actually 100. Yeah, 100, and this is coming now 55. Yeah, you want this thing into 100, just scale again. There's another one. Make a line, point it here, then make an offset 100. Yeah, why did I make a line here? This is the other way of making a scale of an object. You want this dimension here, this thickness or this distance to be the same to this line without stretching it. See, when I stretch, see, you can stretch this thing. See, but we're not gonna use that one. We're gonna use as per the scale only. So scale, enter, select, enter, base point from this for the first line in the inside, pick, and then he will gonna ask copy reference. So type in R, then enter, then pick again on the endpoint of this line, pick, and then he will gonna ask specify second point. The second point is the one that you want to make it bigger or smaller, this red line here. Pick, make sure it's on the quadrant or in the on the snap, and then just stretch. See on the message, specify new length or points. So points is, you're gonna point it from here on the line that you made. This is the reference only. This second line is, and this first line and second line is for the reference only, that you want that to be the length, the one that he's asking here. So just point it here. See, now the problem is we make the reference and to the end reference. Now it went like this. Why? It should be on the center of this circle because you're in a circle. So scale again, enter. Select the circle, outer circle, enter. Make the base point here because before we make the base point from here, so he will gonna scale it like bigger because from here. So if you make it on the center of the circle, pick and then select this outer line with the quadrant or in the endpoint, pick again, scale, select, enter, base point, center, and then reference R, enter. Now select again in the center of the circle, pick, specify second point, this one, this red line, and then new link or point it here, and that's it. Now delete the reference. Now let's see what's the dimension, if it's correct. 100 or 0.10. Now what happened to the hatch? The hatch, you cannot scale it to make it. You just have to select the node of the hatch, select hatch, either of these outer nodes. Let's say pick. When it's red, it means you selected already, you pick it already. Then just drag it from here and then pick again, and that's it. So you have the same. Now question, the gap here is different, the gap of the hatch, so you just make it match properties, MA, enter, select this and match it from here. It's the same. Now that is scale. Even the text, you make it scale. You want this text to be bigger, select the text, enter, make a base point anywhere, or better to make the base point on the center of the object, pick, and then let's say I want to make it bigger in 2%, so 1.2, that is 20% actually, enter. See, want to make it smaller, undo, scale, select, enter, base point. You want to make it smaller, remove the 1, just type in point or dot, 9 or 8 or 7. Let's try 7, enter. It went smaller. See, like that, undo. Now another one I'll show you. Let's say you want this, I'll copy this circle here, move it from here. You want this circle to be let's say 175 radius. There's another way, SC, select all of this, enter, base point anywhere, let's say from here. Now reference, let's say 100. No, the first is the size that you want, 125 over 100. It means 125, you want the 100 into 125. So first digit will be the size that you want to make the size, and the last after the slash, that is the original. So new and then original. So you already indicated 125 over 100, then enter. See, 125 over 100. now the the thickness is also changed. Now you will notice the thickness should be 135 because your dimension style dimension, always delete this style over, yeah, modify, make it 3 digits. Okay, close. Now it's exact 125, because if it's only 2 digits it will gonna carry over, so it will be, instead of 125 it will be 13. Yeah, okay, and that is a scale. You can try to experiment with the scale. Thank you.